Established in Australia and New Zealand 70 years ago, Ramset has a strong and enviable reputation for developing, manufacturing and supplying the building and construction industry with leading-edge drilling, bracing, anchoring and fixing products. The Ramset range includes powder and gas-actuated fastening systems, chemical anchoring, expansion and screw anchors, power tools, construction chemicals, installation systems. Ramset brings to market two unique installation systems that are performance tested, simple to design, quality assured and easy to install. Reed Brace is an off-the-shelf system for tension bracing of structures, tie-back applications and temporary works bracing. Reed Brace utilises reed bar, a continuously threaded reinforcing bar system, complying to AS NZS 4671. It is a fully engineered and tested solution supported by full technical data. OrbiPlate is a uniquely designed solution that solves misalignment of bolted casting connections. OrbiPlate is quick and easy to install and features tolerances of up to plus or minus 20 millimeters to comply with AS 3850. OrbiPlate can be used when connecting steel to steel or steel to concrete. The range of Ramset heavy-duty anchoring was purposefully designed and engineered according to AS 5216 and European Design Method EN 1992-4-2018 for seismic category C1 and C2. Mechanical heavy-duty anchors include Anchor Screw Extreme, True Bolt Extreme, and Spartec Extreme, suited for a variety of structural, seismic and fire-rated applications. Ramset offer a range of ChemSet chemical anchoring adhesives with a 100-year working life certification. This is in addition to the entire range having European Technical Approvals (ETAs). Epcon C8 Extreme, Rio 502 for Australia, and Epcon C6 for New Zealand are a high-performance epoxy formula. All of the Ramset heavy-duty chemical anchors are for use in cracked and non-cracked concrete, seismic and fire-rated applications. We supply a range of anchoring accessories including threaded inserts, stud anchors, ChemSet applicators and the dustless drilling system. Ramset provides a quality range of construction sealants, adhesives, grouts, expanding foams and concrete additives for all building trades. Our products are supported by comprehensive technical data and design software, all easily accessed on our websites. Ramset deliver powder-actuated fastening solutions that are innovative, powerful, easy to use, and specifically designed for Australia and New Zealand applications. The FrameBoss XP and XPM provide a quick fixing method for fastening many common building materials to concrete, masonry, and steel. The range of Ramset gas technology tools include TrackFast, CableMaster, and InsulFast. This innovative range delivers speed, precision, and includes automatic power adjustment for greater ease of use. Ramset offer a range of technical design tools, including iExpert, an anchoring design software that calculates accurate anchoring solutions for your project. The Specifier's Anchoring Resource Book is a design aid which contains easy-to-understand technical product information and design methodology, all in line with Australian and New Zealand standards. Learn more about the range of Ramset solutions from our qualified engineers.